Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this earring. This is very easy to make, yet very attractive. So our materials: superduos, rondelle size 3 mm, seed bead size 11, and I have another color of superduo and a hook. This is the thread that I'm using, and I'm gonna be using about 2 feet and 4 inches. So let's begin. I'm gonna pick up 6 super do, so it's 6. I'll just pass through the beads one more time. Then I'll just make a knot. First one, and then 1, 2, and 3. Just pass through the beads at the bottom hole of these two super do. Okay, and then pass my needle here on the top hole. Then I guess I can cut my tail. I'm going to pick up 3 seed beads, pass here, pass, pick up another 3, pass through super do, and I'm going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. So pass through the super do, exit to the middle seed bead. Then I'm going to pick up 3 super do, pass through the middle seed bead, pick up another 3, pass through the middle, and I'm going to do that here, here, here. Okay, I'll pick up 3 super do and pass through the middle seed bead, pass through the 3 super do's, then I'll be passing through all the beads again just to reinforce. So I'm coming out of the bottom hole of the super duo. Then I'm passing through the top hole. I'm going to pick up size 11 seed bead. And we'll just do it pick up 1 seed bead 11. This is the middle super duo. So I'm going to pass through the seed bead and the super duo. Going to pick up 5 seed bead 11, then pass through the super duo, then just turn it over and then pass through the seed bead that we just added until the middle. And I'm gonna pick up 2 seed bead in my rondelle, then 1 seed bead, rondelle, 3 seed beads, 3 seed beads, rondelle, 1 seed bead, rondelle, and 2 seed beads. To 11, 1 rondelle, 1 11, 1 rondelle, 3 11, 1 rondelle, 1 11, 1 rondelle, 2 11 seed beads. And then I'm passing through the middle, pass through the 2 seed beads, the rondelle, and the 1 seed bead. Then we can put a little picot here. Pick up 3 seed beads, pass through, pass through rondelle, the second 11, exiting to second seed bead 11. Then pick up 5, pass through, okay, I'll just pass through one more time just to reinforce the 5 seed beads that I just added. And exit to the middle seed bead. Pass through seed bead, pick up 3, and make another picot. Pass through rondelle, the 2 seed beads, the middle seed bead here, pass through the two seed beads. And I'm going to pass through all the beads to reinforce. And guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who joined, thank you so much. Then I'm gonna make two knots here. And then I'm gonna pass seed bead, and then the two seed beads here, the middle, then I'm gonna make a I can make two more knots here. Easy to make, but it's beautiful. Hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who joined, thank you so much. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.